Close your eyes. Bring your complete focus to your breath. Very gently breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. As you exhale, see the whole body from head to toe completely dropping down, and you feel relaxed. Very effortlessly breathe in and exhale from your mouth. Let it be a long exhale. As you exhale, release the stress from your body. See it moving out of your system. सर से पाँव तक, from head to toe. Scan yourself. If you see the stress in your head, many thoughts, let them go. Bring your focus to your facial muscles, the temple area, forehead, eyes, cheekbones, in your jaws. Release it all. Release the backside of your neck. Any stress from the responsibilities on your shoulder, release them now. Release your chest, your spine, both your arms. Release your navel, lower back, your abdomen area. Release both your thighs. Release your knees, calf muscles, ankles, till the tip of your toes. आप पूरी तरह से रिलैक्स हो चुके हैं. See yourself sinking into your seat. आपका पूरा फिजिकल शरीर, स्थूल शरीर हल्का होते हुए, it's getting lighter and lighter. Intentionally, we are relaxing and releasing your whole body. Breathing in and exhaling. In this stillness, let us invoke gods, goddesses, the purest form of the energies, angels, archangels, masters, any of the gurus that you believe who has been guiding you. Invoke your soul guide, your spirit guides. Experience their presence. महसूस कीजिए आपके आवाहन करते ही आपकी स्पेस में दिव्य ऊर्जा का प्रकाश बढ़ता हुआ. You can experience the white light, the golden rays in the space that you're seated in, dawning upon you, around you, forming a circle, a shield of protection. You can feel it, absorb it, surrender yourself to this divine golden light. Release all the resistance from your physical body, all the resistance from your mental thoughts. See them and let go. Surrender and experience the stillness within, the peace, the calmness. See your heart getting softened. You are safe like a child. You are seen by Ma Shakti, Ma Kali, and you are ready. You are ready to take this journey to heal your ancestors. Bring your awareness to your navel, above your navel, to the Manipura chakra, solar plexus, 2 inches above your navel. The center of power, identity, and transformation. माँ काली की शक्तियों का आवाहन करते हुए महसूस कीजिए, माँ काली आपको वो पावर, वो करेज, वो स्ट्रेंथ to transform each and every dark cell in your body, in your energy system, into white light. Begin to visualize a warm yellow light glowing in this space. आपके मणिपुरा चक्रा के पास गोल्डन येलो लाइट ग्लो करती हुई, बढ़ती हुई, like a soft flame, like a candle, a steady, bright, alive. With each inhale, the light expands. With each inhale, the light expands. With each exhale, it clears. You are entering the sacred fire of soul purification. आपकी आत्मा की शक्ति को पूरी तरह से प्योरीफाई करने की ये ऊर्जा बढ़ती हुई. You can see the flame growing. The yellow light is expanding. The fire is clearing. The fire is clearing and purifying your soul. Silently, pray to your own self. I awaken the fire of inner power. माँ काली की शक्तियों का उनसे कनेक्ट कीजिए और देखिए आपकी नाभि में येलो लाइट, द फायर is growing, is increasing. As it increases, you release the fear. You release the ego. And you release all the illusions. आपके एनर्जी सेंटर्स में जितने भी illusions, myths, जाने अनजाने आपने कलेक्ट किए हैं, कैरी किए हैं, इस पल में वो सभी रिलीज होते हुए आप देख पा रहे हैं. You invite clarity, invite confidence, invite the soul light into each and every cell of your being. See the golden light traveling from your crown chakra down into your spine, reaching out to your solar plexus, Manipura chakra. आप महसूस कर पा रहे हैं कि गोल्डन लाइट बढ़ती हुई. In this state, invoke your soul group. आवाहन कीजिए आपके एंसेस्टर्स, अपने पितरों का, आपकी सोल ग्रुप का आवाहन कीजिए. योर कॉन्शियसनेस, योर इनर वॉइस, आपकी चेतना शक्ति, वो सारी जानकारी है. सरेंडर टू माँ काली, लॉर्ड शिवा. सी योर सेल्फ इन्वोकिंग all your ancestors, your soul groups that are influencing your present life. Those souls who incarnated with you across lifetimes. जितने भी जन्म आपने लिए हैं, जितने भी कार्मिक्स, जितने भी इम्प्रिंट्स आपने प्रेजेंट लाइफ में लाए हैं, उससे कनेक्टेड सभी सोल्स का आह्वान करते हुए यू मे फील द प्रेजेंस ऑफ योर लव्ड वंस. दिस कुड बी डिस्कम्फर्टिंग, बट ये सभी आपके सोल ग्रुप, सोल फैमिली के मेंबर्स हैं. जो भी पर्सन, जो भी इवेंट आपके इस पल में सामने आ रहे हैं, just be an observer, silent observer, and see it happening. These could be your teachers. These could be someone who has challenged you. And now, beyond your soul group, feel your ancestral lineage. महसूस कीजिए आपकी ancestral lineage is arising. You're able to see your parents. You're able to see their parents, and so on. You're able to see your ancestors and connect with their soul energies. Your father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, सभी को आप देख पा रहे हैं. Back until 7 generations. Back until 7 generations. Let them gather behind you like a great waterfall of spirits. ये सभी souls, सारी आत्माएं आपके पीछे. Your lineage of flesh and spirit. Some wise, some wounded, some peaceful, and some are restless. आप महसूस कर पा रहे हैं आपकी ancestral energies को. Some of them are happy and contented wherever they are. Some of them are still struggling to accept themselves. Some of them are wounded, entangled in their own belief systems. Some of them are anxious and restless. You can sense these energies. Help them release. Say with reverence, बहुत humbleness में, as if you're revering. Say in reverence, to all my ancestors, नोन एंड अननोन, मेरे सभी पूर्वजों को प्रणाम करते हुए, जिनको मैं जानती हूँ, जिनको मैं नहीं जानती, सभी को आई वेलकम ऑल. आई थैंक यू for the life that flows through me. Express your gratitude and honor their sacrifices. In some or the other way, your parents have always sacrificed at many levels in many aspects, and so have your ancestors. So let us thank them, honor their sacrifices, their dreams, honor the struggles that they have made for you to be in your present life, in the present moment. Honor the silence that they have held. I carry you. Express, I carry you with love and no burden. जितने भी तनाव, वो सभी को रिलीज करते हुए, without hesitation, without any responsibility, we align ourselves with the higher consciousness and help align our ancestors in the same frequency of higher consciousness. देखिए, आपके द्वारा with the wisdom and the love, unconditional love is flowing. सभी तनाव हटते हुए, unconditional love is flowing through all the generations, 7 generations standing behind you. जितने भी ancestors हैं, आप उनकी ऊर्जाओं को महसूस कर पा रहे हैं. और unconditional love and wisdom, white light, golden light is flowing through all of you. Visualize a great golden flame now rising from your solar plexus. आपके नाभि के ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ी गोल्डन फ्लेम बढ़ती हुई. ये गोल्डन फ्लेम आपको हार्म नहीं कर रही है, रादर आपको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रही है. See it, the transformation of your cells, all the dark energies, imprints of the past that do not align in your divine plan today, does not serve you. ये सभी चीजें burn होती हुई. It does not burn, it transforms. Let this fire rise, warm, feel the warmth, brightness, intelligence, the genuine intelligence flowing in the form of wisdom. Experience it. It holds the power to break the karmic. It holds the power to break the karmic chains and reclaim the soul's essence. आपकी soul की pure essence को ये surface पे लाता हुआ, begin to offer into this fire all the grief in your consciousness. जितना भी दुख आपके और आपके ancestors के द्वारा आपके मेमोरी सिस्टम, आपके एनर्जी सेल्स में आया है, वो सब कुछ बर्न होते हुए, द ग्रीफ योर एंसेस्टर्स कुड नॉट क्राई, वो सारा आपके द्वारा खुलता हुआ इस फायर में बर्न होता हुआ आप महसूस कर पा रहे हैं, देख पा रहे हैं. द ग्रीफ योर एंसेस्टर्स कुड नॉट क्राई, सी इट बर्निंग इनटू द फायर. द वर्ड्स दे कुड नॉट स्पीक, all the suppressed emotions in your throat are now getting into the fire and getting burnt. Release the freedoms that they denied, the freedoms that they were denied let it burn. The dreams that they buried, let it burn. The traumas that they endured, let it burn. The curses spoken or received, see it all going into the fire and let it burn. The guilt that they carried, see it burned. The guilt that they carried, see it burned. Let each of these dissolve into the flame, crackling, releasing, transmuting. Silently repeat, I now heal what you could not, what remained unresolved. I now complete. This ends with me. All these burdens, cries, wounds, burns with me, ends with me, transforms through me. Watch the flame dancing. Watch the flame getting higher and brightening. The karmic knots unravel. The golden light begins to ripple backward into your ancestral tree. Into your ancestral tree, you feel the awareness stretching backward like a golden thread flowing into time. 7 generations behind you, visualize each one as a circle of light. To each generation, say, express yourself. Let this happiness, this golden light, reach them. To your all generations, one by one, you say, I see you. I free you. I honor the strength and the pain you carried. I return to you your energy and I reclaim what is mine. In complete wholeness, see the exchange getting happened. Let all imbalance, pride, suppression, and ego now dissolve in the fire. Let peace replace pain. Let wisdom rise. See the yellow healing fire moving like a wave across time, releasing old vows. जितने भी promises आपने किए थे वो सभी रिलीज होते हुए देखिए. Unconscious karmas, silent patterns सभी burn होते हुए, release होते हुए. Feel the ancestral energy lightening, smiling, blessing you. महसूस कीजिए ये सारे blessings आप तक पहुंचते हुए आप इसे रिसीव कर पा रहे हैं. Now turn your heart to the future. Take your heart to the future. See the 7 generations ahead. आने वाली 7 नस्लों को आपके द्वारा बहुत सारी blessings जाते हुए देखिए. The children not yet born, dreams not yet dreamt, souls waiting to enter through the gateway of your healing. Send a stream of golden light forward from your solar plexus to theirs, to those souls, and say this prayer. I bless you with freedom. आपकी आने वाली generations को आप bless करते हुए I bless you with freedom. You are born of clarity and no confusion. You are completely born of clarity. You inherit courage and no fear. You are protected, guided, and spiritually awake. You are supported by a healed lineage. Feel your future line shining, radiant, joyful, and powerful, carrying the blessings of everything you're releasing today, carrying the blessings of everything you are releasing your being today. Now, feel into the egoistic patterns passed down through generations, the control, the manipulation, the rage, unhealthy ambitions, blind survival upbringing. Bring all of it into the fire of truth in your solar plexus and release. I surrender all my false powers. I release the need to dominate or be dominated. I dissolve unhealthy passion rooted in fear or pain. I reclaim pure will, sacred strength, divine identity. Feel your ego melting into the golden light, purifying the presence of your soul. You stand now as clean, clear channel of your ancestral evolution. Breathe in the yellow light deeply. Breathe in the yellow light deeply. Feel it illuminating every cell. आपके शरीर का हर एक भाग, हर एक अंग, इसमें ये सुनहरे रंग की ऊर्जा प्रभावित होती हुई आप महसूस कर पा रहे हैं. Your ego has dissolved. All the wounds of your past imprints have been burned and transformed into white golden light, full of faith, love, and positive energies. Feel the light in your solar plexus, illuminating each and every cell, every memory, every relationship. Your solar plexus is now glowing like a midday sun. सूर्य की तरह चमकता हुआ आपका सोलर प्लेक्सस. Radiating clarity, compassion, courage, and purpose. Behind you, the 7 generations have been blessed, and they are blessing you as well. Ahead of you, 7 generations await your gifts. And around you, your soul group smiles in gratitude. Present life के आपके जो भी soul group के relations हैं, they are smiling back in an exchange of golden light. You are able to experience it. Breathe deeply. Place your right hand on your belly and whisper. आपके मणिपुरा चक्रा पर अपना दाहिना हाथ रखते हुए महसूस कीजिए. It is done. I am the golden bridge. I am the healer. I am the flame. Begin to return to the space around you. Assure all your ancestors, assure the future generation. Let the divine light of wisdom and unconditional love flow through all of the generations, healing your soul family, your soul group in your present life. मणिपुरा चक्रा में महसूस कीजिए ये बैलेंस, शिव और शक्ति का बैलेंस, सभी पूर्वजों का रिलीज। अब देखिए आप, आपकी सोल फैमिली प्रेजेंट लाइफ की और आपके पूर्वज और आने वाला कल, ये सभी अपनी अपनी गति में प्रोग्रेस करते हुए, progressing in their own way, in their own life, wherever your soul is, wherever their soul is, in their journey, they're able to progress, heal, see the stillness that you experience in your energies, the strength coming from your blessings, from your ancestors. Experience it, absorb it, receive it in humbleness. See each and every cell in your body transforming into wisdom, gratitude. See all the blockages getting released and a free flow of energy moving through generations around yourself. See the golden light getting brightened, brighter and more brighter. You are at peace, completely contented, released of all the burdens and the imprints of the past. In this moment of stillness, absorb the golden light and see गुरु की ऊर्जा आपको गाइड करती हुई, आपकी सोल गुरु, आपके स्पिरिट गाइड्स, आपकी एंजल्स को मन से बुलाते हुए वो आपको पूरी तरह से गाइड कर रहे हैं। You are experiencing stability, you are experiencing contentment, longevity, and fulfillment in your heart. The energies through your spine are flowing freely, energizing and aligning each and every chakra. You're completely healed and are feeling the bliss, the peace in your energy system. This flow of energies are filled with the humbleness and gratitude. Slowly bringing your consciousness to the present moment and your breath. Very gently breathe in and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. धीरे धीरे अपनी अवेयरनेस, अपनी चेतना शक्ति प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में लाते हुए अपने श्वासों की गति पर ध्यान देंगे। Bring your focus to your breath. consciousness to your breath. अपने दोनों हाथों पैरों में थोड़ी मूवमेंट करते हुए feel your body, your physical presence. Rub your both your palms and receive the light on your face, facial muscles. Hug yourself. Any extra energy that you have, pass it on to your loved ones through your palms. See it going to all your loved ones, to your house, pets, plants. सभी को दिव्य ऊर्जा फैलती हुई अपने हृदय पर हाथ रखते हुए humbly thanking your life, your physical body, thanking all the gods and goddesses, angels, all the connected souls, soul family groups who helped you, guided you in this moment and have helped you heal. गुरुओं का धन्यवाद करते हुए, सभी देवी शक्तियों का धन्यवाद करते हुए, whenever you are comfortable, open your eyes. नेवल से 3 बार कट करेंगे. कट, कट, कट. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Thank you.